Something happened to the standard computer desktop in the last few years. Applications went from slate gray to transparent glassy. Now, when you capture a window on one computer, it may look completely different than what's on someone else's computer because of the desktop wallpaper or the applications open behind it. Thankfully, Snagit has some features that let you control how an application looks when you capture these transparent windows. By default, when you capture a window with Snagit, the background behind the transparent title bar is not captured. Let me show you what I mean. I'll start a capture and use All-in-One to capture this application. When it opens in the Snagit editor, notice how the transparent title bar is now cleaned up. Snagit captured the application, but it didn't capture the background. Instead, it gives you a clean, solid background. But what if you want the background, or you don't like the way Snagit cleans up the capture? Well, you have a few options. First, I'll start my capture again and capture a region of the application. You'll notice that Snagit doesn't clean up the capture. You get the area you wanted to capture exactly as it looked on the screen. You wouldn't want to take region captures all the time, so let me show you how to adjust Snagit's title bar capture settings. If we go back to the capture window, down in the profile settings, click the input drop-down. This is where you can change the input capture type and the properties. So, click on Properties, and you'll see we have a section labeled Window Capture Title Bar Transparency. Basically, this setting adjusts how the window title bars will look when you open your capture in the Snagit editor. We've already seen the clean title bar style, and the actual title bar is the same style we get when you capture a region. The transparent title bar doesn't capture the background like the clean title bar version, but doesn't place a white background on the capture. So the captured title bar stays transparent. Let me show you how that works. I'll change the setting and click Apply, then OK. Now click the big red button and capture my application. When it opens in the Snagit editor, you can see the white and gray checkerboard showing through the window. And if I send this capture to PowerPoint, you'll see that the title bar stays transparent. The only thing to consider is if I change the theme I'm using with PowerPoint, the title bar of this application is going to look slightly different. With this white theme, it looks pretty light. If I change the theme to a dark background, the title bar is darker too. Whatever title bar style you prefer is up to you. If you want a style other than the cleaned up look, you'll need to save your profile setting by clicking the Save Profile's Current Setting button here. Now, my all-in-one profile is using the transparent style. If you want all your profiles to use the transparent or actual style, you'll need to change each profile and save it.